Gavana wa kaunti ya Naikuru Lee Kinyanjui niaugite ihinda ni ikinyu ria gucenjia na gwikira mawatho meru ruhonge-ini rwa ugima wa mwiri, akiuga ino noyo njira iria ingirehe kihonia na kunina thina uria ukoretwo kuo ruhonge-ini rwa ugima wa mwiri. Gavana Lee augite thirikari yake ni gacirithitie ugima wa mwiri kaunti-ini ino na njira iria yagiriire, akiuga ni makoretwo makigitirwo na njira iria ibatie niguo kurigiriria kunyitwo ni corona, akiuga gutire muruti wira wa ugima wa mwiri ukuite kumana na murimu ucio.
Our unions in Kenya will continue to make Kenya uncompetitive. Nimekuwa nikisikia wengi viongozi wakisema, why can't we be like Singapore? Why can't we be like other places? Those places you tell us to be like them. For them to get there, they never allowed trade unions to work the way they work in Kenya. Where you plan a strike, hiyo ikiisha unapanga hiyo ingine, and we are permanently on a strike mode.
Augite ni makoretwo magitabania micemanio na arigitani kaunti-ini iyo na maingi ma maundu maria makoretwo makiendekithia ni mahingeirio, na uguo gutire murigitani ona umwe ukoretwo akiiga mirothi kaunti-ini ya Naikuru.
Before we employ you on permanent and pensionable, you have to work on a contract basis so that we can also have control on our staff. Na kuna wale ambao niliona hata kwa runinga jana wakisema wangetaka wote wawe on permanent and pensionable. That is the only contentious issue that is remaining.
Mwena-ini wake seneta wa Naikuru Susan Kihika nioritie thirikari kugia na miario na arigitani na gwetha kihonia gia gutura kuona riria mathina ta maya meyumiria, miturire ya Akenya niyo itigagwo hatika-ini no nangi magakorwo makiurwo ni mioyo yao.
Why should we increase the executive and the legislatures when we are seeing wananchi, the economy is doing so poorly?
It's also time for the National Assembly and the Senate to consider what categories of work or employees are allowed to go on strike.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.